In this video, I want to show you guys why trading fees can take so much of your money slowly without you even realizing, and how it can add up so quickly, right? So we look at trading fees, more specifically maker, taker fees that we see on the spot and future side of exchanges in the crypto market. So effectively, how maker fees work, you're adding liquidity, and with taker fees, you're basically removing the liquidity immediately by matching the existing orders, right? So usually there's a bit of an incentive. There's an incentive if you are doing the trade on the maker side of things, as opposed to being a taker on the exchange. Now, I want to talk about how these fees can take a lot of money off your hands quite quickly. And you can see here, look, it usually says the maker taker fee model aims to create a more efficient and liquid market by encouraging traders to provide liquidity. By offering lower fees to makers, exchanges encourage participants to place orders that help stabilize the market and reduce price fluctuations. So if you're placing a limit order on the books, I usually think that is the taker method, right? So this is quite interesting. This is really quite interesting. Now, the exchange I want to talk about, which can save you so much money over time, is going to be KSEX. This is one of the partners that I love. I use this exchange. I do a lot of my trading, leverage trading, spot trading, meme coins. I do everything with this no KYC globally accessible exchange, which, by the way, you can sign up to in like 10 to 15 seconds. Link is down below if you're curious about how you can use this exchange to save money. Well, it all comes down to the fees. The spot fee, maker 0%, taker 0%. The futures trading, maker 0%, taker 0.01%. And this is amazing because there are exchanges out there, right, that take over 1% of fees. 1%. And this one here is offering such a good, almost an unbeatable fee model here. And I can quickly show you just with this spreadsheet. So for example, trading fees, right? If you're looking at KSEX, the spot fee is maker taker 0%. The futures is taker 0.01%, maker 0%. A 10,000 buy, let's say you buy Bitcoin. You bought Bitcoin with KSEX and you went on a spot trade. The fee is literally nothing. You just place the order on the books, and whatever happens at that particular time, there could be a bit of, I don't want to say like arbitrage, but there could be some laddering in the order books between the spread. So it might not be exactly 1-for-1 based on what you're seeing, but it should be. And on the future side, you can see, look, if you place like a long position and you're doing taker, there's only a tiny fee of $1 on a $10,000 buy or sell. That's insane. Now, if you use another exchange, let's say the other exchange, which I did find, I was shocked because it's one that I used when I first started trading in the crypto space. And I can see that they have a 1% maker spot fee. That is just crazy. Because if you're doing a $10,000 buy, let's say you bought Ethereum for $10,000, $10,000, you buy Ethereum, $100 is gone completely. If you even do spot taker, which is meant to be the incentivized version, it's still a $20 fee. If you're trading on the future side, it would be a $60 fee for a $10,000 trade. And of course, these trades have stop losses. So you're doing a lot of these futures trade over and over and over. You might be placing 100 futures trades in a month, which would equal $2,000 of lost funds. $2,000. And if you did 100 trades here on the taker side, so you're just instantly placing the order, you'd actually lose $6,000, which is insane. That's for doing 100 individual trades. If you did 100 individual trades here, you'd only be losing $100 to your fees, or your capital would be down by $100. So it makes sense to use exchanges with lower fees. And of course, KSEX is one that has got the lower fees. They've got a brilliant surprise rate at the moment, 0%. New user rewards could be waiting as well. So check it out down below. Have a look. Sign up to KSEX. You might honestly really like this exchange. The only downside I can think of with this exchange is the lack of accessibility to on-ramp your fiat currency. Well, you can use another exchange to do that. There are a few others listed down below that you can get signed up to, like Bitfinex, Blowfin, MEXC. You can on-ramp fiat straight into those and then withdraw it into KSEX if you wanted to try that method, or you could withdraw from a Phantom wallet or a MetaMask wallet or any other DeFi wallet. all you got to do is hit that deposit button in the top left and find the particular coin that you want to deposit into the exchange. So it is really nice. I do like it. You can also verify on KSEX if you wanted to add that extra layer of security. Before we go, guys, give us a subscribe, a like, a comment. It'd be really, really nice if you could do that. And do have a look at my new trading signal, TradeWave, which is just down below. You can find it in the Patreon group. It is called TradeWave, x1wave.com, $27.50 for easy to follow buy and sell signals. You can also become a patron should you wish to get all the early alphas and all the benefits within my Discord channel, like trading signals, analysis, early alphas, meme coin alphas and all that juicy stuff. Space is limited, and that will give you the free indicator as well, by the way. So yeah, if you want to really maximize your time in this market to achieve time, location, financial freedom, it is all down below. Discord and Patreon is where you want to be. But yeah, this video is really just to highlight the wave fees can take a lot from you over time, and it's a very cumulative, a very passive, slow effect that drains money from your wallet, right? But you don't really see it happening at the time. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Have a great day, and subscribe, like, comment. Boom.